So I've decided to mount the motor up on the wall so it's out of the way. I've then connected my floor sweep, and then on the other outlet I've started my run, starting with the pillar drill. So after the branch off to the pillar drill is the branch off to the table saw, which goes down to the blast gate, then goes to 2 meters of flexi hose, and I've gaffer taped this connection on the end. I cut a 4-inch or 100mm hole in the side of my table saw because the existing extraction is terrible. I'll cut a piece of pipe coming out the side, and what I do when I want to use a table saw is connect it like that. What I've decided to do is, instead of having a separate branch off and blast gate for the bandsaw, I'm gonna double up and use the same connection for the table saw as the bandsaw. And what I've done is I've fitted a small piece of 4-inch pipe to the bandsaw, which it does have a 4-inch outlet, but I've put that on there as a connection. Whenever I need to use the bandsaw, I just have to take the pipe off of the table saw and fit it to the bandsaw, which is very simple. I've then mounted the capture bag, cyclone and dust bag, filter bag to the wall. Fitted the metal cyclone part, this part, onto another bit of wood behind it, and then fixed that to the wall. And for a bit of extra support, I've fitted a bracket to the wall and taped the dust bag bracket to that, which goes down and is bolted to the metal cyclone part. So this is as far as I've got for this part. Got the straight run that will go behind the bandsaw, then this will then go under and behind the chop saw, and then this bit will come up behind the chop saw. So yeah, it goes from the branch off for the table saw and bandsaw. You've got a straight run along there, and it will go down and underneath, and it will come, there'll be a bit of pipe you might be able to see there, that will come up and feed through that hole and extract from the chop saw. And then there's a branch off that will go down and behind underneath the workbench down there, and it will come up and it will reduce to a 3-inch pipe, which I will be able to use for my bench sander. So yeah, please share and subscribe to see part 3, and thank you for watching. Yeah, no, I didn't want to do that.